If you're a coach or consultant or an expert, you're probably already posting text content on LinkedIn to get clients, right? But you probably reach a point where you feel like, man, there's a lot of competition out there, and I don't think posting content is gonna cut it. I probably have to start making videos too. But making content is already a lot of work. How can I add video on top of that without going crazy? Hi, my name is Helmi. I help coaches and consultants get more clients with simple YouTube videos without becoming a YouTuber. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making videos very simply by just reading the text content that you've already posted on LinkedIn. Okay, so a little story. Today, I had a call with a client who's a career coach on LinkedIn. He started to write text content, and at the back of his mind, he also had the idea that he should start videos. But on the call, he said to me, you know what, I invested a lot of money on these copywriting courses, and maybe I want to do that first, get really good with writing, do some posts, and then maybe later I'll do videos. So I know a lot of you are probably on the same boat, especially if you're on LinkedIn. I'm going to tell you this right now, writing is not going to cut it. There's just too many AI slop out there. People are using AI to write, and you're competing with that. It's a red ocean right now. So what I told this client is that, hey man, listen, you are already posting text content. I read your stuff, it's actually pretty good. I know it's still new, so there's not much traction, but the content is good. So the friction that you have of why you don't want to make videos is because you feel that video is a lot of work and it's this whole spectrum of new thing, which it is, but here's how to make it easy for you. Because at the end of the day, you're a solopreneur, you're a coach consultant, you have a business to run, you're already writing, you want to add video on top of that. So we need to make this easy. So instead of trying to learn how to become a YouTuber, you already have text content that is performing really well. All you have to do is record yourself with your smartphone talking about that exact same thing. Because who wrote that thing? The post. Is it you or is it AI? I assume it's you, right? So if it's you, then you know what the post is about. Then you can just simply tell the story that is within that post to your phone and imagine that you're just FaceTiming a friend, like telling that story. That's the vibe we want. We don't want it to be polished, right? So you just have to create videos like this, either in your office, in your house, in your car, while you're walking down the street. And there's nothing to worry about, because if you hold your camera like this, people think you're FaceTiming somebody. They don't think that you're trying to make a YouTube video, right? So just record yourself like this, and you can maybe have your laptop here with the script. Look at one line, you already know, okay, I'm going to riff on something, then talk about it, and then pause 1 second. Look back at the script, okay, you're going to be talking about that next, okay. Look at the camera, pause 1 second, then riff again, and just rinse and repeat. And the reason why I tell you to pause is because later on, you're going to use this software called Descript AI. It's an AI editing software. It's going to cut out all the rough cuts. So basically, if you don't make that 1 second pause, like in between the lines, it's going to be a little obvious that you're going to go back and forth like this, looking between the camera and the script. The script is your LinkedIn post. It's already done. Like you don't have to do anything. Okay, so just use Descript. I upload it on that software and I click 5 buttons and then the AI basically does everything for me. Okay, all I have to do is just check the footage if everything's right or wrong. So I can get like one short video done in like probably 5-10 minutes. It's nuts. So I made a video tutorial on how to use this Descript AI tool, link down in the description below. And I hope this has helped you to think of making videos as not adding more work to your plate, but it really helps you get clients, because people can hear you talk and your mannerism, okay? So let's get you on video. And if you want to see how to use Descript AI to make this whole thing painless for you, watch this video next.